How you doing? So we're going to make this beautiful dal fry. So it's fairly dry. Got some lovely lentils in there, some lovely Indian spices. It's really, really good. It's healthy. It's vegetarian and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's have a look at what we have here. Let's start with the dal. So I've got some red dal there, although it looks yellow. I'll explain in a moment. This is red lentils or masoor dal, whatever you call it. So when you get it, it's kind of red. When you cook it, it goes yellow. Now, so 2 cups of the dry dal. I just put it into water. It cooks in like 8-10 minutes. This cooks really quickly, this type of dal. 2 tomatoes. I've got 1 cup of onion. I've got a few fresh curry leaves. If you can get fresh curry leaves, they are amazing. If not, try and get dried. Some fresh cilantro or coriander. 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds. The same amount of cumin seeds. 2 teaspoons of what I call the big 4. Chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander. A tablespoon of garlic ginger paste and fresh chilies. You can cut them small if you want. I'm going to put them in just like that, and the amounts up to you. We're going to start this off today. I'm going to be using some coconut oil, but if you wanted, you could use something different. So I've got my little pan here, got some oil in there, and like I say, I'm going for a coconut oil today, and we're just heating that up, and we're going to drop in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds. Let them do their thing in the oil just for a little bit. We're on just above a medium heat. They're going to infuse that oil. Don't skip this part, it's really important. Just a few seconds. We're then going to drop in the fresh curry leaves, which can be quite noisy. Let's have a look. Not too bad. Then we're going to go with 1 cup of onion, which I've sliced. You can chop it smaller if you want. Salt. Above medium heat, 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Fantastic. Coconut oil, curry leaves, really, what a beautiful combo. Okay, we're now going to add a tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You can buy that in most stores depending on where you live in the world. We make our own because we use loads and loads of it, as I'm sure you might know. We're then going to drop in the fresh chili. And like I say, I'm keeping mine whole, just cut the nibs off. We're going to go with our couple of tomatoes. And we're now going to add the 2 teaspoons each of turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin. Now if you wanted, you don't have all of those separate spices, well, first of all, I think you should get them, but yeah, you could put a curry powder in if you like, if you only have that available. Okay, we're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes now. I really want to cook these tomatoes down. That's looking super fantastic. Right, we're now going to get in our dal, our cooked dal. So that's 2 cups of the dal, but once I cooked it, it swells up and it sort of turns into like 3 cups in volume once it's cooked. And again, stay on this vibrant heat, and let's fry this now for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving. That's fabulous. We're done. We're just going to now add in the cilantro or coriander. And I didn't show you this earlier, but we're going to put a nice big pinch of garam masala in there. So this is a dal fry, dry. Now, at the same stage, if you wanted, you could get some coconut milk in there, or even just water, thin it out and make a kind of regular, wet dal. But yeah, we're keeping this fairly dry. But yeah, the choice is yours. That's it, beautiful. Let me get that on a plate. By the way, check that for salt. You might want to add a little bit more salt. It's fine for me. And there you go, job done. That is really beautiful, I think. I love that. I won't be eating mine with rice, although it is nice with rice if you mix it in. You can actually mix some of that in with rice, delicious. I'm going to go for some bread. I'm a much more of a sort of a bread person as opposed to rice. The choice is yours, but that is wonderful. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Amharic channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really appreciate all of you sending messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.